love to be the best energy that I possibly can be.
I'm gonna let you guys in on the real tea on these products and let you guys know if these actually work or if... Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nathi, and in today's video we are going to be ranking TikTok viral products. This is my second time filming this part of this video, so if you see things changing midway through the video like my nails, you know why. But before we get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and like this video, and let's get into the video. I thought it would be fun to like rank the products from top to bottom using this tier list, and we have my different tiers that I'm going to explain to you guys. So at the top we have a need. This means this product is amazing, I have no complaints, and it does what it has to do and I love it. And then going down we have I like. Okay, I like she's very demure, very cutesy, she's good but not good enough for a need. Okay, and then we have she's okay. Okay, like the middle tier, you know, you're doing it but you're not really. And we have not worth the hype. Okay, this is like a product where I'm like, okay, are we talking about the same product? And then lastly we have let's be for real. Be for real. Yes, those are all the tiers, and let's get into ranking the products. So the first product that I have for you guys is none other than the Glow Recipe. This is like epitome of TikTok viral. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. Okay guys, as you can see, I have been using this. I've been using this for the past like week or two, and honestly I'm someone who has dry skin and I have eczema as well, so I've never been into toners because I feel like a lot of toners that I've used have just been too harsh on my skin, and as someone with like sensitive skin, I just have never been a toner girly. But guys, I really like this toner. One thing about Glow Recipe products is most of them are fragrance. I also tend to like fragrance skincare because I'm like, I don't know how my skin's gonna react, guys. Luckily it hasn't broken me out. Obviously we do have a friend over there. It is because I was on my period last week. Okay, so let's not talk about that. I really like the consistency. When you put it on, it feels like your skin feels alive, it feels glowy, and I'm the type of person who likes glowy makeup, as you can tell, so I really like this. Guys, we might have to put her at the top. This is a need for me now. However, she is pricey. Okay, Glow Recipe don't play with their pricing, but I do feel like I would repurchase like if I had the money, you know. I'm gonna put her at the top, guys. She actually deserves this, and I really like this toner. For some of these products, this is my first time trying them, so I didn't want to go all out and get the full version. If I could just get the mini version, because I don't know how my skin is gonna react to it, which is something that I recommend doing. Also, the packaging is so cute, so she gets plus points for that. It's pink, it's cutesy. I'm a Glow Recipe stan. And then the next product that we have is the Ordinary Niacinamide and Zinc Serum. So guys, I've actually gotten this product before. I think I mentioned this in my last video. I got this product before, but I didn't really like her. At the time, I feel like I was using other products that weren't really good for my skin. So I thought like, okay, like obviously with this type of products, because for me, I'm using it for my hyperpigmentation and trying to see a difference in my uneven skin tone. So I feel like with those type of products, you have to give it a longer span of time to see the results. But with her, I haven't seen the results yet. I do feel like she's not breaking me out, which is good. So I'm liking her. I feel like she's really hydrating on the skin, and as someone with dry skin, I really like hydrating products. But I do feel like there are better serums out there for me. Like I feel like I really like the Good Molecules discoloration serum, and that one worked really well for me, and I feel like I'm gonna repurchase that definitely, but I'm giving this a chance. So for now we're gonna put her on this. She's okay, you know, she's not I like just yet, you know. But one thing I do love about The Ordinary is that their products are very affordable and aren't super expensive. We're yet to see if this actually works on me, and I'll let you guys know. So the next product is the Summer Fridays lip balm. So guys, this is a product that I've wanted to try for the longest time. actually I wanted to purchase fully for the longest time because I tried it a few months ago and I absolutely loved how it felt on my lips, and I was like, I need to buy this, but she's pricey. She's very pricey. Guys, this is an absolute need for me. Like, there's no questions asked. First of all, there is so much product in this. Like, this feels like it's gonna last me like a year, and usually, guys, I'm a lip product girly. Like, my glosses like last me like a month if I'm lucky, okay? I am gonna put her on the knee. I love this scent that I got too. I got in the sweet mint scent, which I absolutely love. Okay, I don't care what anyone says, she's a baddie, and I feel like I need more of the other flavors, scents. Like, I need it. I want that. I need that. I gotta have that. What would this video be without a Sol de Janeiro product? This is like the epitome once again of TikTok viral products, and I have the 68 perfume mist here with me. I like the scent, okay? I like the scent. I've also tried the 62 scent, and honestly I do have to say I like that one a bit more. One thing I will say, especially this scent specifically, it doesn't last very long. Like, I'll spray it and it just like 2 seconds and I don't smell it on me anymore. But I do feel like it smells really nice. It's not what I usually go for. I would say like this is more of like a floral light scent. I'm more of a vanilla girly, you know. I like those like musky type of scents. We have to keep in mind that it is a mist, so it's not an actual eau de perfume, so it's not gonna last very long anyways. I do feel like layered with the lotion, which we're gonna get into later, it has the possibility of lasting longer, but she's okay. ... So the next product that we have is the lotion. So this is the Asia Flor Elastic Cream. So guys, I actually like this a lot more than the actual perfume itself. You're probably like, oh Nathi, what? Yes, like once again, I have dry skin, so this is so like thick and like creamy and moisturizing, which I didn't really expect, because I expected it to just be like a fragrance product that won't really do much for my actual skin. But I love this. Like, I love it. Like, I've used it a lot, but it's literally still like full. It looks like I haven't used it at all. Bonus for the packaging. I am a packaging girly, I'm not gonna lie to you. If a product has cute packaging, I'm more likely to buy it, okay? I'm gonna put her in I Like, which is weird because they're like, the two products are like, go like this, but I like her more than her. We've been on a skincare grind, so we're gonna get into makeup. So the next product that I have is the e.l.f lip oil. Guys, I will repurchase this and repurchase this and repurchase this. I've had two before this, 1 or 2. I love this, okay? But I just feel like it's not much of a lip oil. Like, obviously this is like kind of a dupe of the Dior lip oil, because e.l.f is known for the dupes, okay? It gives more for like gloss plus oil, but it's not really like a lip oil. Like, I've tried lip oils and this isn't really the same consistency. I will keep repurchasing them because I really like the way that they sit on the lip. I love the smell of these products too. They actually smell so good. Should I be harsh? She's okay, okay? She does what she needs to do, and I will keep repurchasing these. Then the next product that I have is the Method body wash, okay? I actually have this in the coconut like scent, but I also have it in the pink one, which is like the floral type of scent. A little goes a long way with this. Like, this is my mom's, mine's that one, but I've tried this too, but it's genuinely still full, and we got it like a minute ago and we use it like all the time. I honestly really like these, and I think these are one of the best body washes that I've personally used. But I love, especially this specific scent, I really like, linked with another product in this video that I'm going to show you guys that I did like last night, and I was like, what? This is a hit. But I really like this. I'm gonna put it on, I don't know why I have the pink one here, but I'm gonna put it on I Like. Hold on, no, she's going in I Like. The next product that I have is another e.l.f product, and it is the e.l.f Halo Glow liquid filter. So this isn't exactly a foundation, it's more of a glow booster like it said. I've never really been a foundation girly. I don't think I found one that works for me personally, and I like more of like a light coverage look, which is why I got this, because I was like, I feel like this is gonna work well because it's not really a foundation, it's like a skin tint but not really, you know. This is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. So I was like, hold on, let me give you a try. See what I'm talking about, guys? Like this glass, like E.l.f. Okay. So the next product that I have is another E.l.f product, and it is the E.l.f Halo Glow liquid filter. So this isn't exactly a foundation, it's more of a glow booster like it says. So I'm gonna explain myself. I've never really been a foundation girly. I don't think I found one that works for me personally, and I like more of like a light coverage look, which is why I got this, because I was like, I feel like this is gonna work well because it's not really a foundation, but it's like a skin tint but not really, you know. And obviously this is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Okay, so I was like, hold on, let me give you a try. No, to each their own, but for me honestly it just did not work. Okay, I'm just gonna put her on not worth the hype. Okay, I'm not gonna be too harsh because I do get that it could work for some people, but for me honestly I'm just like, no. Okay, this made my skin oily, which is weird because guys, once I have dry to very dry skin, so I tend to like make sure I use like thicker moisturizers because my skin is very dry before I put on my makeup. This made, like, I don't know, I just didn't like it. I feel like it just made my skin look so oily, and I'm kind of hating on her, like I'm bashing her, but not worth the hype in my opinion. Okay, so let me know if you've tried this, how it's worked for you, because for me, next product that we have is the Starface patches. I feel like everyone knows about these now. So I do have my friend over there, like I told you guys, but I was debating putting this on it and I was like, no. I have repurchased a million times, guys. I've literally used these since like 2021 or something. I believe this one's infused with salicylic acid, which I think is meant to exfoliate and sort of like stop your pores from clogging, preventing future breakouts. I just feel like these haven't personally done anything to my pimples, and I feel like there are better pimple patches out there, like the Mighty patch, the CosRX patches. I feel like those would be like a better alternative, although they aren't cute, which is why I keep repurchasing these. I think that's like unique selling points business. And I like the fact that I got the case and like the star. I'm gonna put it in I like, just mainly because this is a product that I've been repurchasing it, although I don't feel like it necessarily does anything for your pimples. I like it. So the next product that I have is Miss Selena herself. This is the Rare Beauty Melting Blush. I actually got this and I was debating getting the liquid blush instead, but I decided to get this because I was like, I want to be different and I want to try something new, and I really liked the shade. I felt like it would look good on me, and it's what I have on right now, and I feel like the blush is giving, guys, don't lie. Okay, although it is small and pricey, I feel like she's gonna last a very long time, and I feel like it applies really well. But I would say if you like sort of like a matte finish, this is not for you. It's more like creamy and like dewy in a way. I personally love the packaging too. Okay, if the packaging is cute, I'm here. And see how small this product is, like compared to the size of my hand. Hello. So with her, I'm gonna put her in I like. Okay, I really like, honestly, I do love this product. The next product that I have is none other than the Tree Hut body scrub in the Cocoa Colada scent. This is a sheer sugar scrub. I've never tried like a sugar scrub before. This is like a lot in here, guys. Like I use body scrubs like once a week. Like I love to exfoliate. Scent of this too, guys. Ooh, magical. And next time I buy, I'm not gonna lie, next time I buy a body scrub, it's gonna be from Tree Hut. I used this yesterday and my skin didn't react badly so far, so I feel like so far so good. I like her. I'm gonna put her in a need because I would genuinely repurchase this again. Even in the other sense, I'm so willing to try those, and I feel like this is definitely worth the hype. Then the last product that I have, as you can see from the tier, is the EOS Vanilla Cashmere Body Lotion. This is also very TikTok viral, and I feel like every vanilla girl has this, okay, or wants this. When I tell you there's literally basically nothing in here, like basically nothing. I love this product and I would repurchase it a million times if I could. This is my holy grail. I love her and she is an absolute need. Layer her with a lot of stuff and wow. And I get so many compliments on the daily about how I smell because I wear this so much and I love her. This is the final tier list that we have of all the products. I'm happy with this tier list and nothing was in the let's be for real category. We have more products in a need and I like, so that's a good sign, and I feel like you guys on TikTok, you're doing something right, okay? Comment down below any opinions that you have on these products if you've tried them before. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. I love you all. Mwah. See you in my next one.